shooting through the screen. Yes. Oh, what a face. Get him. He's a little fox. He likes that food. He doesn't mind me here on the porch. Doesn't mind me much. I'm not steady enough for this long telephoto lens. No. Right there. That's a good shot. Yeah, you see me, don't you? But you don't care. As long as I stay on the side of my screen, you're okay. I think that's a little boy fox. He's bigger than the female. You have to see them together to really know. Hey, you're looking at me. I'm looking at you. So there you go. Well, the screen doesn't seem to interfere too much. Zooming out, there's Nan's garden. No, I won't go in focus, will it? That gets in focus. Come over here, there's the garden. Raised beds. Yep. And over there in the distance is one pile of trees. And then another. That's just two of the three in the backyard. There's the third, and there's actually a fourth behind it. Yeah. And there's Mr. Fox. He hears every word I'm saying with those big ears. And he doesn't care. He wants that food. Because he's cute. He's a cute little doggy. You're looking at me. The cat's down here. Looking at him too. Where's the cat? There's the kitty. Whoop. Hello, Pest. Oh, there you go, Pesty. Yes. Do you see the fox too? Come here, little Pest. You show me the belly. You show me the belly? Oh. Yes, it's the belly. That's the belly. Yes. That's the belly. Oh, there's a big yawn. Oh, you feel nice. You got such a soft belly. My ugly feet. You're so cute. You got a cute little belly. You do. You're a good boy. You see that fox? Mr. Fox didn't like it when I was over here. Oh no! I wasn't. Oh yeah.